Click and drag to select range B5 through F5. For this range, you want to fill in the values between the first and last cells. You will use a growth trend to do this. In the editing group on the ribbon, click the Fill button. The Fill menu opens. Click Series. The Series dialog box opens. In the Type section, click the Growth. Click the Trend checkbox. Excel will calculate the values between the starting value and the ending value based on a constant percentage of growth from year to year. Click OK. Excel fills in the series.